everyone, welcome back to another recipe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this bomb loaded baked potato recipe. Not any type of potato recipe. Today we're making jerk shrimp loaded baked potato recipe. This recipe is so flavorful. It has the perfect amount of kick from the jerk seasoning. You're going to love it. Before I show you guys how to make today's recipe, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you find today's recipe helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know you love the recipe. Leave a comment down below. Have you ever tried jerk shrimp loaded baked potato before? And let's jump right into the recipe. All right, family, here's what you need to make today's recipe. Everything will be listed down below and as well as on the screen. I love that you guys can take a quick screenshot. I'll be using 2 potatoes, by the way. Before you even begin, be sure to scrub and wash your potatoes. Then you're going to take a fork and poke some holes on the potatoes to help the air circulate while the potato is baking. Next, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on the potato, rub that in. Then I am going to sprinkle some sea salt on the potato. Grab yourself some foil, wrap it up and place it in the oven. I baked mine for 1 hour and 15 minutes. However, if yours is bigger than mine, it might take a little bit longer. Okay, moving on to the shrimp. Yes, sir. We are going to drizzle some olive oil, mix that in just like so. Then we're going to add all these seasoning on there. I'm using lemon pepper, Cajun seasoning, onion, garlic powder. Yeah, everything will be below. And also we're using this jerk seasoning. It's hot and spicy. It is spicy, pretty spicy. If you never tried jerk anything, try this recipe. I love me a good old jerk chicken, especially when it's grilled. So this is a must-try recipe for me and for you. Okay, mix that up together and set aside. Now to a medium-high heat skillet, you're going to drizzle some olive oil, add your shrimp in there. Now you're going to cook the shrimp for about 2 minutes. So cook that for 2 minutes per side, so 4 minutes in total. Then remove, set aside. To the same skillet, you're going to add your bell peppers, onions, and some minced garlic. You're going to cook that until they're nice and soft. Next, we're going to add our heavy cream. Also, I am going to season this a little bit. I'm adding some Cajun seasoning because I needed some more flavor, you know. And then you are going to add some cheese. I'm using Colby Jack cheese. You can use cheddar cheese. This is about a few minutes later. It's nice and thick and ready. Remove that, set aside. Grab your potatoes. They're nice and hot. And then you are going to cut the top layer of your potato like I'm doing right now, and don't throw these away, okay? You can use them. And then scoop out the potato flesh. You're going to place that into a bowl. Once you're done, you're looking at something like this, okay? Now, you are going to add a little bit of melted butter to your potatoes. I mean, who doesn't like buttery potatoes? I am also going to add some sour cream, a little bit of lemon pepper, okay? Gotta season it. And also I'm adding a little bit of the shrimp. I cut up the shrimp and add it to the potatoes. And then I am also going to add some of that sauce, that creamy sauce that I made. I'm going to add that in there with some cheese. Mix that up together. Looking good. And then we are going to stuff our potato shell, okay? Now, once you're done, you're going to add some of that creamy sauce on top. Then you're going to top it off with the shrimp, the jerk shrimp. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is about to be so good. I'm telling you. Okay? Make sure you add the shrimp all over the potato. And then guess what you're going to do? You're going to add some cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. Well, there's not a lot of space, but try your best because we want a cheesy potato. Okay? And I'm going to add some more of that cheese sauce. Yes. And this is the second one. Basically, I'm gonna let you guys watch because it's easier to watch than me talking. Now I'm going to add some fresh parsley on top and then place it in the oven. I'm going to bake this for another 10 minutes. And you guys, this is the result. I hope you try it out. Come back and let me know in the comment section how you like it. Please, if you enjoyed today's recipe, take this moment to give this video a thumbs up for me. Let YouTube know that you enjoying my content so they can share it out to more people, and subscribe if you're new because I make bomb recipes here that you don't want to miss. And of course, leave a like. Let's try it. I've been waiting for this since I was cooking it. So let's give it a try. We gotta get a shrimp in there. Oof, that looks good. Give it a bite. So good. Do you like potatoes? You like shrimp? And you like spicy? This is for you. Definitely give it a try. 10/10 in my book. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. Bye.